Good day, everyone. Today, I stand before you to talk about something that can change lives: education. Education is not just about going to school or passing exams. It is a powerful tool that shapes our future, builds our dreams, and opens doors to opportunities. However, not everyone has access to quality education. Many children around the world and even in our own communities struggle because of poverty, lack of resources, or limited opportunities. This is why sustainable quality education is so important. It aims to ensure that everyone has access to inclusive and equitable education. We are la- we are lucky to begin the chance to learn, but with the privilege comes responsibility. We must value our education, use it wisely, and help others who may not have the same opportunities. Even in simple ways, we can make difference by sharing knowledge, helping classmates, supporting education programs, and encouraging others to stay in school. Education is not just for ourselves, it is for the betterment of society. We, when one person is educated, a whole community benefits. So today, let us remember, education is a right, not privilege. Let us stand together to support and promote quality education for all. Because when we invest in education, we invest in brighter future.